Christian faces serious violent and gun charges in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Manchester Police Division have laid charges against a man in the parish following an incident which occurred in Asia District, Manchester on February 24th. Charged with robbery with aggravation, possession of a prohibited weapon, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony is 20-year-old Christian Salman, a carpenter of Asia District. Reports are that around 2:30 p.m., Salman went inside a bar and pointed a firearm at a female and ordered her to get down on her knees before smashing a poker box and removing all the cash from inside it. He then reportedly demanded the female's cell phone and Alcatel tablet valued at $47,000 and took also $5,000 cash before leaving. He was later arrested and subsequently charged by the Manchester police. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.